The why you want to fish in current is that's pretty easy to answer. Current is what holds your fish. It's what positions your fish in streams and rivers, and that's typically where they are primarily. Not to say they won't use the pool areas, but current is a supply of good oxygenated water. It's a great food supply. It's just a never-ending flow of food to them, and that's typically where your smallmouth want to be. As far as it comes to how to fish in current, I would approach it with I like to use, if I'm throwing a crankbait or something of that nature, I like to have one that'll get down and get close to the bottom and typically bring it upstream, back up to me, and just kind of tick the bottom like a fleeing crayfish or something like that. Or, you know, if you want to go a jerkbait route, you can do that as well, and you don't have to worry as much about making bottom contact with that. And spinner baits, you can fish those and that. I even really like, one of my favorite things to do is take a small buzz bait and fish that thing right in the swift water. You'll be amazed at how those fish will come up and how they can pinpoint that buzz bait and come up and smack it right in the moving water and the current and the shoals and things. And as far as plastics go, I like to use the lightest, absolute lightest weight that I can on those, be it a Texas rig, something Texas rig, be it a jig head, whatever I'm using. I want just enough weight where I can make bottom contact. And then I'll actually take that and kind of walk it down the current. If I'm pulled off to the side and I'm fishing a riffle, I'll take and kind of hit bottom contact, and I'll kind of snap it up as soon as I hit bottom to keep it from getting snagged in the current. And just kind of pop it up. You just kind of walk it down the show. You know, the key is you don't want to let that thing soak too long on the bottom, because you've got the current pushing on your line one way, and it's going to wedge your jig head, your lead weight, whatever, and you're going to stay hung. So you want to throw it out, get bottom contact, pull it off the bottom, snap it off the bottom, and just kind of walk it down. And then, you know, rinse and repeat, do it again. Just make different drifts, and you'll pick up some fish. That's one of the best ways I know to tell you to handle the current with any kind of jig or soft plastic. Just make bottom contact, pop it, and just kind of walk it down through there until you fish everything out. Leave no stone unturned when you're fishing a really good looking riffle. You want to cover it all.